This is the Gorilla waterproof patch and seal. You can see I'm actually waterproofing my shed. I got some holes in my shed here. I think I showed you that earlier. You can see there's a hole there, a hole there, and a hole there. I've applied some marine tape on here to keep the moisture out, and I'm actually going to seal the deal by coating this with this Gorilla patch and seal. Pretty simple to use. You just shake it up before you want to use it. You're going to allow yourself 8 to 12 inches while you're spraying it. Make sure the wind's not coming your way like it is right now. And you just apply a couple of coats to it, and it dries in about 24 hours. Works on metal, concrete, wood, aluminum, brick, tile, fabric, rubber, glass, and more. Let's start out here. Pro tip, wear some gloves. And the cool stuff about this is it goes on kind of like spray paint. And when you're done with it, there are actually a couple different paint varieties that you can apply over top of this. I think satin and something else. So I will double check that because when I paint this shed roof white again to cover this up, boy, it goes on great. Really, really easy to apply. Now we get some of this on the inside. And when you're done with this, you want to keep the thing from getting clogged, hold it upside down and press it down until it sprays clear for a few seconds, and that keeps it from clogging up on the head. Pretty awesome. Goes on great, and you can paint over it. That's what I like about it. Waterproof patch and seal.